In this video, let's talk about how to use the SoFi career coaching member benefits. So if you are a member within SoFi and want to use the benefits that you get, all you want to do is make sure that you log into your SoFi account, and once you have been logged in, you simply need to access your dashboard from the home screen. And once you're inside of the home screen, you should be able to access the career portal from the profile section on the top left, and you can simply select the career option. From the drop-down menu, you would be able to see the option called member benefits. You can simply tap on it and select the career coaching. Once you select the career coaching option, you'll need to take a personalized strength assessment so that the SoFi platform would exactly be able to know the exact situation that you're in, as well as you can book a one-on-one industry expert session. So these are the few benefits that you get with the SoFi career coaching membership. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.